Astral being. So I just got told that there's a giant alligator over here. So we're gonna go see if there is. Hold on, let me see. I think it might be right over here. Oh, wow. There it is. It is pretty decently big. Dang. Yeah, that's probably a good 5 to 6 foot alligator right there. Nice. That is awesome. Look at you. Yeah, there's actually a decent amount of alligators in this lake. It's a completely freshwater lake. Perfect setting for alligators to be in, especially big ones. You are beautiful.